QUBT stock analysis, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to be answering everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at quantum computing, what I quite appreciate is bullish market, you know, with 7% increase in price. Having done well over 40,000 videos, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. You know, 41,000 have been documented over 5 years. And with that, my results and whatnot. QUBT just absolutely pumped up, which I appreciate. It was not just here, you know, now we're 15 bucks. But I began buying when the price was like low 6, I believe. It was 7, right? 7 bucks, 7.33 a month ago. And that's phenomenal. And all I'm looking to further do from here is still keep buying. So that's going to be the top here of me. That's my demand zone. Actually, this is just such a great representation of what I'm expecting the price to give me. And if there's no sort of confirmation that I'm not buying, very simple. And I guess, well, I do have a lot of previous receipts to QUBT. So if you do want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free email.